Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
recent advances in the uses of beta blockers are also used in akathisia. They are used in alcohol withdrawal. They are used also in primary prophylaxis of bleeding due to portal hypertension. Also we started using beta blockers. Beta blockers are also used in infantile hemangioma. So the main uses of beta blockers are used in essential tremors, prophylaxis of migraine, hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, social phobia, toxic multinodular goiter, aortic dilatation in Marfan syndrome, intraoperator tachycardia, steroid storm, akathisia, pheochromocytoma. According to the recent advances, they are also used in akathisia, alcohol withdrawal, primary prophylaxis of bleeding due to portal hypertension, and infantile glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.